Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick review about these towels that I got on Amazon. I know they look kind of yellow, but it's the lighting. My bedroom lights are the daylight yellowish type of color. It's not the towels. But anyway, we've had these towels for, I don't know, a few months now, and both me and my husband, we absolutely love them. These are hands down one of the best towels we had. So these towels are a cotton and bamboo blend, which I've never heard before. I didn't even know that was a thing until I got these towels, and I love them. Now that's the only type of towels that we buy, because not only they dry a lot quicker, but they also don't smell like mold. That was a big issue with us, with the other towels that we had. They always smelled like mold. You know, you would use it for a day or two, and then the third day they would have this very weird smell, which is not the case with these towels. They are amazing. The material is very, very soft. I can show you. They are not super thick or heavy, which is also another thing that I don't like. When the towels are like thick, heavy, I don't know, I feel like it's kind of hard to dry yourself with them. These ones, they are not thin, but not thick. I feel like it's the perfect thickness, very soft. They dry, like I said, very quickly too. And yeah, the quality is amazing. The stitching, very well done, and it looks expensive. It looks high quality. So yeah, I love these towels. These are the only towels that we use in this house, and yeah guys, I highly recommend them.